Have a nice day, every student, and welcome to our modern class. Second section of statistical analysis video is dedicated to paired samples t-test, and now you see a prompt to do paired samples t-test or critical Wallace test with 7 sections, and also a data set to do that with 2 columns before and after. Every column has 100 records. But in first part of statistical analysis with AI, we speak about independent samples t-test, and I add card of this tutorial to top of this page. You can click on cards and watch this video and comment your ideas. But now to select the best AI to do paired samples t-test, I reviewed 8 AI APIs, means ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Julius, and Cloud, and also Weasley and Yes Chat. And every AI APIs has some errors. For example, Gemini has errors in skewness and kurtosis and t-statistics. Julius has very abstract output. Weasley has errors in installation of package to run eggs and run tests. And Yes Chat has some errors in computer t-statistics and mean difference. And also Claude has some errors. For example, Claude cannot read 100 observations for every columns, and Grok has some errors in mean difference and t-statistics, and also DeepSeek has some errors in mean difference and t-statistics. But what about ChatGPT? What's your idea? ChatGPT can do paired samples t-test exactly similar to SPSS, and to check about this, I reviewed SPSS output and descriptions, and also skewness and kurtosis, and also t-statistics. And after run paired samples t-test with ChatGPT, I compared output of ChatGPT with SPSS. To compare, in first sections I check about descriptions, and I see that description in ChatGPT exactly is similar to SPSS. For example, mean reported 61.16 for before and 74.15 for after, and another statistics is similar to ChatGPT, is similar to SPSS, and also for skewness and kurtosis with a little difference. The output from ChatGPT is similar to SPSS, 0.16 and 0.37, a little difference between ChatGPT and SPSS. But in t-statistics, AI, ChatGPT AI report exactly similar. Statistics for T means 12.31, and exactly similar p-value for statistics, t-statistics. And in the next, ChatGPT has an interpretations and also scientific reports, and in section and 7 provide translations from English to Persian and Italian, and it's very good scientific reports. And finally, conclusion. I learned that ChatGPT can do paired samples t-test and also independent samples t-test similar to SPSS programs. And if you want to receive this prompt and also data, request in the comments and write your emails to send that. But what's your idea about the next tutorial? Means correlation, ANOVA, chi-square, or regression? Write in the comments, and also subscribe on our YouTube channel. Please comment your idea and like our tutorials. And goodbye.